plus 3. Okay, because the base are same, so we add the index. So this is 7 to the power of 5. No need to find the value because the question asks you to simplify, not evaluate. If the question asks you evaluate, means you need to write the final value. Okay, this is for simplify only. Okay, for B, 0.2 power of 2 multiply 0.2 power of 4 multiply 0.2 power of 5. This is equal to, okay, look at the base. The base are same. So we can copy the base 0.2. How about the index? This is multiplication operation. So the index we will plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. So this is equal to 0.2 to the power of 11. Remember from the previous subtopic, for decimal number, we need to write in in bracket. Okay, for decimal number, we need to write in bracket. Okay, remember. Next, for C. 2k squared multiply 4k cubed. Okay, we have the coefficient. The first coefficient is 2. The second coefficient is 4. So we solve the coefficient first. Mean we multiply 2 multiply 4. Okay, then k, the base are same. So we can add the index 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 8k to the power of 5. The last example in example 6, D. 3m power of 4 multiply 1 over 6 m to the power of 5 multiply 12 to the power of m. Okay, we solve the coefficient first. 3 multiply 1 over 6 multiply 12. And look at the base. The base are same. So we copy the base m. Four plus 5 plus, this is m power of 1. That is m power of 1. Not power of 0. That is power of 1. So we plus 1 here. So you can use your calculator. 3 multiply 1 over 6 multiply 12. Okay. You will get 6 m to the power of 10. Okay, remember, if the question give m only, it means m to the power of 1, not 0. Okay, next. Go to example 7. Simplify each of the following. Okay. I copy again. M power of 3 multiply n power of 2 multiply m power of 4 multiply n power of 5. Okay, simplify. So, look at the base. How many base here? Have two base, m, n, n. For index base m, this is 3 and 4. Yes, 3, 4. So we plus 3 plus 4 because this is multiplication. So the index will plus. And n, for base n, this is 2 and 5. So 2 plus 5. So this is equal to m power of 7 multiply n to the power of 7. Okay, final answer, no need to write multiplication symbol. We just write m power of 7, n power of 7. Next, will be 0.3 power of 2 multiply 0.2 power of 2 multiply 0.3 multiply 0.2 power of 5 multiply 0.3 power of 3. Okay, this is equal to how many base here? Yes, 2 base. We have 0.2 and 0.3. Okay, look at base 0.2. What is in that? 2 and 5. So we plus the index. 2 plus 5. How about 0.3? Base 0.3, we have index 2. And how about here? 1. This is 1, power of 1. And 3. So 2 plus 1 plus 3. So this is equal to 0.2 power of 7 multiply 0.3 power of 6. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, you need to write multiplication symbol for the number. Then, for C, P power of 2 multiply M power of 3 multiply P power of 4 multiply N power of 3 multiply M power of 4 multiply N power of 2. So, how many base here? M, N, and P. 3 base. So, look at M. The first index is 3 and the second index is 4. So 3 plus 4. Next, for n, this is 3 and 2. So we need to plus because this is multiplication. So 3 plus 2. For p, last one, this is 2 power of p power of 2 multiply p power of 4. So 2 plus 2. So m power of 7 multiply n power of 5 multiply p power of 6. Okay, final answer. Jawapan akhir. Tak perlu tulis simbol darab. M power of 7, N power of 5, P power of 6. Kalau tadi nombor kita kena tulis. Sebab kalau awak tak tulis, nanti penulisan awak akan nampak salah nanti di sini. Kalau awak tak tulis kurungan, dia akan jadi sini. Kadang murid berbagai cara penulisan dia. Nanti akan confuse. Cikgu akan confuse apa yang awak tulis. So, better kalau nombor mesti ada simbol darab. Kalau huruf tak perlu ada simbol darab. Okey, ini tak nak Yang ini tak mau. The last one for D. Negative m power of 4 multiply 2 n power of 5 multiply 3 power of m multiply 1 over 4 n power of 2. Okay, we multiply the number first. What is the coefficient for the first term? This is negative m power of 4. Means this negative 1. So the coefficient for the first term is negative 1, multiply 2, multiply 3, multiply 1 over 4. And base, what is the base? N and M. What is the index for N? 5 and 2. So we plus 5 plus 2. How about M? This is 4 and this is M only, means power of 1. Yes. So this is 4 plus 1. Negative 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 1 over 4. You can use your calculator. And this is negative 3 over 2. N power of 7, M power of 5. Okay, class. To write negative number, okay, for fraction, you cannot write the negative symbol at the denominator like this. This is wrong. You can write negative at the middle, so negative 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 2. Okay. Dua ini saja yang diterima. Yang ini salah. So, when you write negative 3 over 2. Okay. I go to the second law in this subtopic. A power of m divided by A power of n, this is equal to A power of m minus n. This is the second law. When division and the base are same, so the index will minus. Example A. 5 power of 4 divided by 5 power of 2. Jadi kita corak pun boleh kan? So this is 5 power of 4 minus 2. This is equal to 5 power of 2. Okay, look again. The question asks you to simplify, not evaluate. So when simplify, you just stop the answer like this. If the question asks you to evaluate, means the final answer is 25. But here, simplify only. So this is the final answer, 5 power of 2. Next for B. Negative 3 power of 4 divided by negative 3 power of 2 divided by negative 3. Okay, class. What is the index for the last term? This is 1. Good. So this is negative 3 power of 4 minus 2 minus 1. The final answer is negative 3 to the power of 1. Okay. This is not the final answer. You need to simplify. How to simplify this answer? You just write negative 3. Negative 3. You need to write like that. Okay. If you stop until here, wrong. Because this is not the final answer. Need to simplify. So, final answer is negative 3. Question C. Question C. M power of 4, n power of 3 divided by m power of 2, n. Okay, look at the base. How many base? 2. M and n. So 4, we minus 2. Because the index for m is 4 and 2. And why minus? Because of division. So now, for n, this is 3 minus of 1. Because this is index for n. And this is index for n. 1. So 3 minus 1. So this is equal to m power of 2, n power of 2. No need to write multiplication symbol. Okay, next D. 25x squared y cubed divided by 5x y. Okay, we solve the number first. 25 divided by 5. You can write like this, 25 divided by 5. And x, this is power of 2. And here power of 1. Y also power of 1. So for x, 2 minus 1. For y, 3 minus 1. So answer, final answer, 25 divided by 5 is 5. X power of 1, y power of 2. But you cannot stop like this. You need to simplify. This is power of 1. We cannot write 1. So the answer is 5x y power of 2. That is the final answer. Okay, for E. 12m power of 10 divided by 4m power of 5 divided by m power of 2. Okay. Now, for your safety, you solve at the left hand side first. First and second term. 12 divided by 4. Okay, this is 12 divided by 4. M 10 minus 5. Okay, we solve one by one from left hand side. And we copy the third term. Okay, this is 3m power of 5 divided by m power of 2. Now, what is the final answer? 3 divided by Here the coefficient is 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. M power of 5 minus 2. Get 3. That is the final answer. Question F. Negative 16p power of 8 divided by 2p power of 5 divided by 4p power of 2. Okay. We solve from left, first and second term. Negative 16 divided by 2. And p, this is 8 and 5. So 8 minus 5. The right term we copy. Okay, this is negative 8 p power of 3 divided by 4 p power of 2. Negative 8 we divide by 4 first. And p 3 minus 1. Sorry. No 1. 3. 2. 3 minus 2. So this is negative 2 p power of 1. Is this the final answer? No. You cannot write 1 here. So you write negative 2p. Okay, next. This is the third law. A power of m in bracket power of n. This is equal to A power of mn. This is multiplication. The index you can multiply between m and n. So example 9. Number 1. Simplify. So 3 power of 4 power of 2. This is equal to 3 power of 4 multiply 2. We get 8. For B, h power of 3 in bracket and power of 10. This is equal to h power of 3 multiply 10. The answer is 30. H to the power of 30. For C, negative y power of 6. Okay, this is in bracket. Power of 3. So negative y, 6 we can multiply by 3. So final answer, negative y power of 18. Okay, question number 2. Determine whether the following equation are true or false. So for A, 4 power of 2 multiply 3, 4 power of 2 in bracket and power of 3 equal to 4 power of 3 in bracket and power of 2. So check 4 power of 2 multiply 3, 6. 3 multiply 2, also 6. So this is equal. So this is true statement. For B, here, this is 2 power of 3 power of 4 equal to 2 power of 2 power of 6. So we multiply the index. 3 multiply 4, 12. 2 multiply 6, 12. So this is equal. So this statement is a true statement. Okay, C. 3 power of 2 power of 6 equal to 27 power of 2 power of 4. 3 power of 2 multiply 6, 12, equal to 27. We need to change to the smallest base. This is 3 power of 3. To get 27 is 3 to the power of 3. And here you multiply 2 and 4, we get 8. So 3 power of 12 equal to 3 power of 3 multiply 8, 24. Is this same? No, this is not equal. So this is a false statement. Okay, that's all for today. We learn first law A power of m multiply A power of n equal to A power of m plus n. And the second one, A power of m divided by A power of n equal to A power of m minus n. When divide, minus. When multiply, the index we plus. And last one, A power of m in bracket power of n. So this is equal to A power of m n. So today we learn 3 laws. Okay. Thank you for today. Assalamualaikum.